doing, Tor?
Taking the wheel off.
What's our plan for today?
Apparently we're doing the steering and we gotta figure out the track bar, right? Because it might be too long because the bracket's hitting the coil spring.
Yep.
Which is no bueno. Yeah, we're gonna show you guys the reality building trucks because we are not professionals. Right?
Nope. You got this?
I don't know, we'll find out.
This tire's heavier than you. Pick it up. Oh.
I got it. Shiny.
It's not even shiny on that side. Just showed him the black side.
I meant this.
Yeah, you showed him the inside of that.
Oh.
Alright.
Oh, there's a dog turd.
Great.
Don't step in that.
Great. Right where we're working. You just stepped in that dog turd. Way to go. Yep. You did. So, it's Tori's 96 F-150. We've had it apart for how long? 3 years? 3 years. We're finally getting it back together. A good buddy of mine, his uncle painted it. It's still got to go back and finish a couple of the body lines. We can't get them exactly right where we want them. And then he's got to polish it. We've had the truck for the body back for what, 3 months now from paint.
About that.
About 3-ish months. Put the cab back on the frame, got the engine running, ran the harnesses, and now we're at this point, fixing what we couldn't tell before and putting it back together. Our first truck show is in exactly a month and 2 days, and yeah, we got a lot to do. All right, Tor, tell the people what we're doing now.
Redneck shit.
Oh god. What are we doing?
I'm gonna attempt to cut this straight. The cutoff wheel. Right. So we'll get this all tacked up and should be ready to fit it up, I guess, after this. Alright, we just installed the steering bar, right? That's what that is.
Yeah.
Now we're measuring. Where am I going?
To the bottom of this, to the rotor again.
Right there. Trying to find center.
Alright, go to the back again.
Perfection.
Alright, so this was the line we wanted?
Yep.
You can crawl underneath of this time. It's your truck. You've used one of these before or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, I gotta cut all that out.
Tornation. Are you doing? Don't break that brake line. James, what the hell are you doing? Why don't you just get out and go around? You freaking whale.
I thought I could get through. It's gonna snap.
Yeah. good there.
You gotta pull it tight.
I know, thanks.
I'm good there. Yours tight? See how uneven the driveway is here.
What is that? This is here. Yes.
Alright, so this is the dilemma we are in. This bracket is too close to this coil spring.
And rubs it. Once it.
So why is that?
Because when we built this, we built it without the body on it. And it is kind of my fault. We thought that there was enough space in between this at that point in time because it wasn't that close. So once we put all the weight on this and it started to settle, the whole thing shifted and I ran out of adjustment in this bar. So now the rear is centered.
Which we did with the
Chalk line
and
centered
measurements and
centered
such.
frame rail and everything. So now, number one, we're still out of adjustment in this, even though this is, the rear itself is centered in the truck. The bracket is way too close to that spring and rubs it.
Yep. So now
Which wasn't like that when we first did it, but now that everything's settled, that's the issue.
So we should have made the bar shorter.
We should have made the bar shorter and notched, which what now we're gonna have to do is like V-notch this and bend this bracket this way, then re-weld it. Yeah. Which, to take that bracket out, we gotta pull this power steering box and everything back out of this.
We can't just make the bar shorter and see what it does.
No, because now it's gonna be off. It's gonna off-center the rear. The rear itself is centered. The rear's gotta stay right where it is. If you shorten the bar, you're gonna move the rear in the truck.
Oh. Fun stuff.
No.
And here's the current situation with Ray and Fred. Like nothing even happened. Came out pretty good. How's it going, bud? Oh God.
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
It's kind of working.
I see the steps.
Yeah. Even though I broke it.
It's fine.
Literally.
That's fine. How's it going?
We're alive. It's another day.
Got a lot of stuff done. We got that bracket done. I don't think I've filmed that.
It's mint.
Freaking mint.
That's badass.
That looks really cool. So where's the stabilizers going? Above that bar?
Here to here.
Oh.
Oh. Wow.
Mine goes from the bottom.
Yeah. This one gets 2 from here to here.
Huh.
Jesus.
It's a lot of action.
Jesus.
Hey.
A lot of action.
I want to see what they look like though. Like, what's this on?
AutoZone?
No, once they're on.
Oh, I thought you said AutoZone.
Love AutoZone.
Love me some AutoZone. Alright, Tori. Weld these.
Swell it on up. So now I'm gonna spot bot these seats, and they're not too bad, but definitely could use a good cleaning. So we're gonna start on that, and then I'll show you guys the process. Alright, well, so far I just did the basic vacuum cleaning on these. Started cleaning the inside of this. Coming out pretty good. Took out all the old like lining, weird velvet, sticky. Oh, look at that little stink bug. Hi, buddy! Anyways, I took that out. And started to clean everything with this guy. So hopefully the seats are fine, but hopefully all the stains on these floor mats come out. I bought these online, I think from someone on Instagram or something, and I'm hoping they clean up good. If not, I don't know, maybe resell them or something. So we'll see. Alrighty, I just got done spot blasting these seats. Look pretty good. The floor mats, this one came out good and this one came out good. But this one I probably gotta go over one more time. But after that, should be good. Alright, it's the next day. So today we're going to try to get the rest of the interior in, which is basically just the seats. We have the carpet in, which you can't see right now, but carpet, new from LMC. Had a new headliner put in. And yeah. So on this truck we did a lot of cool little details. I actually wanted this part here on the rear glass to be powder coated, and we got it powder coated gloss black, and it came out awesome. And we also got the wing window frames powder coated gloss black as well. I think it looks really cool. Usually it's just like that matte black, so something different. Alright, so all the tracks are painted for the seats. Came out pretty good. Got the center console one back on, the passenger side back on, and I'm about to do the passenger side. Or driver's side. What you up to, you?
A little bit of everything.
See how the gauges look?
Yeah, it doesn't fit in this pod. No, it really bothers me.
It doesn't fit in the pod.
Well, I gotta peel the stickers off of it. Yeah, I don't get why they do that either. But I wish a company would make a complete one of these. Like, why do they keep making these overlays? Just forget the whole overlay and make a whole new
one piece
thing where you bolt it in.
Yeah.
Instead of doing this overlay, I mean, it looks alright, but if you did a complete one piece one.
It's hard to get the perfect shade. I mean, this is close, but
well, not even perfect. I don't care what color.
Well, you're colorblind.
Well, that doesn't bother me. But they should make one like the factory. Just goes right in. Has the holes already drilled. Charge a couple extra dollars and call it a day.
Yeah. Got the back seat in. And the front seats. Looks killer. Sweet. What do you think?
Let's put the cover on it before it rains.
Yeah, we're trying to beat the rain here. I think we will.
We'll finish this stuff another day this week. So
more details to come for the interior. Then we'll be done.
Yeah, it's almost finished. Just gotta finish bolting everything in.
Yeah.
Then
Alright, that's it for the first video of my truck, a 96 F-150. What do you think? Successful weekend?
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, we did.
The biggest thing was the front end this weekend.
Yeah, then next big thing's the rear, but it shouldn't be too bad.
Shouldn't be too bad, though.
Nah, even if we have to move it, it's not going to be too bad to move it.
No. No, that's easy.
It's just another obstacle. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment any questions, and keep an eye out for more videos on the truck.
Later.
Is that it?
Yep.
Okay.